I'm out this way. Some wood piles. A busy road though. Alright, let me get off this busy road. Not gonna stay here long either, but I'm going to just check this area out. I believe most of you know about this area too. So. But I'm just going to just take a look. I've been here before too. It's all part of them old videos that when it was super low. I'll just take a quick look just to see how it looks. Still like 2 more spots that I do want to get to. One of them is that never been to that Burnside Cemetery. I want to see if I can't find some of the people that was buried in, buried down there in that one they moved. That Nut Cemetery. I wonder if there's any relation to that McNutt. Tom McNutt. Used to be on Channel 4 at times. Anyways, it's really kind of hard to fish this area at any time. It's because when it's up, you can't really, you got all these willow branches and everything, you can't really fish anywhere. And even if you got out there now, it's not deep. As you can see out there, there's some of them stumps and things. And over that way is the Sunbury Road Bridge. Let's see if I see that. It's over in that area there. I don't know if you can really see it. Maybe a little. And then so you got a lot of the stumps starting to come up. Some of the lay downs. And I do know there's been flatheads caught out through that way. And plenty of blues. Plenty of decent sized blues up here too at the right times. Anyways, this isn't really a fishing, well, in a way it is. But that's about as far as I'm going here. Got a couple benches. Can't really see nothing when you can use them. Leaves and everything. You're just looking at nothing but a tree. Nicely done. You could clear that up. But then again, I wouldn't want to. Then people would be fishing here. And you got bricks here. This is more a bike path, so it looks like a lot of people. All these names here are probably some bikers. I don't know. I don't even know if you can read them names. Anyways, that's all for here. It does get up into here though. I mean, you got all that timber there, but say it's really, you can't fish it up in here. And when it is, it's only a foot deep. I mean, if you can get out there, then it's... Alright, that's it for this.